Do you want to learn U.S. English like a real story? Let me tell you about Olivia. She came to America with almost no English, and her life changed completely. Olivia moved to New York City. She could only say hello, thank you, good morning. At first, nobody understood her, and she felt lost and scared. She needed a job, a friend, and a place to belong, but her English was weak and people often ignored her. She thought, will I ever succeed here? This is why we made Lingstor. Just like Olivia, you can learn U.S. English by listening to stories. Stories help you hear real words, practice pronunciation, and think like Americans. Olivia had a choice: stay quiet, hide and struggle forever, or listen, learn, and try every day. She chose to listen, repeat, and never give up. She listened to stories, news, and podcasts in English. She wrote new words and said them out loud. She talked to Americans slowly and asked questions when she didn't understand. The first days were hard. She misunderstood people, made mistakes, and felt embarrassed. But every day, she understood a little more. Weeks later, Olivia could understand conversations at work. She could tell her ideas clearly and make new friends. Her confidence grew with every word she learned. She didn't just learn English, she learned life lessons. Keep trying even when it's hard. Listening is the fastest way to learn, and growth comes from action, not comfort. This is why we made Lingstor, to help you learn U.S. English naturally, to help you think, understand, and grow while learning English, to show that listening to stories is how you really master language. Olivia's journey is not finished, and your journey isn't finished either. At Lingstor, we will grow our minds and U.S. English together, one story at a time. Are you ready to start listening? Subscribe now.